Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix caps lock key stuck problem. Type on screen keyboard in Windows search bar, click on screen keyboard. Click caps key. Click caps key once again. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Click Typing. Click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click Language Bar Options. Click Advanced Key Settings. Press the Shift key, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.